Hey guys, what's going on? So today we're gonna do a Galaxy S7 and iPhone 6s Plus freeze test. And I really think this can be interesting because it doesn't feel like the iPhone 6s is gonna survive this. I think the water resistant S7 has potential to survive, but the iPhone 6s Plus, it's been going through a lot of things. And I've been seeing videos on other people been doing where it has been break down. So can it take on the S7? That's a good question. I mean, look at this cool Touch ID, very nice. Yeah, so this one over here, and then we do have the S7, very nice, and it's the Edge display, water resistant variant. And we're gonna do this in the freezer, 24 minus degrees, and we're gonna use Coca Cola because people like it. For some reason, people like it. People really enjoyed my S5 mini cola freeze, so I need to keep doing it. And I'm also gonna close these two down. Oh man, this doesn't feel good. This one started speed test. Wow, that is so funny. I never seen that before, it starts speed test. I bought these two boxes today just to do this video because I know you guys like it. So we're gonna close it with my blue little thing here. And as I said, I don't know how many hours we're gonna do this, but okay, so let's take these two with us. We are gonna go to the freezer. Oh, look at that! I never seen that. That is so crazy. What is it doing? Why is it testing? That is pretty cool, I gotta say, man. That is pretty cool. That is pretty cool. Little baby S. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Let's open this one up. Huh. We don't need you anymore. What is this? Yeah, this is food. Okay, I'm gonna take that one out as well. Okay, so let's put these guys in. So S7 first. Okay, and the 6s Plus minus 24. Sweet. Gonna close that one, and we are going to start taking time here with my phone clock. Start take time. Bam. So I will get back to you when it's been going a few hours, so stay tuned for that. Have an awesome day, friends. Hey guys, so the phones have been in now for almost 10 hours. Wow, that's a long time. I also cooked up some warm water because I might need it. 10 hours in minus 24 degrees. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at this. This is the S7. This is the 6s Plus. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm just gonna open them up here. Oh my god, it's hard. I mean, this is extreme. Oh my god! Where are the phones? The thing I'm gonna do is they're probably won't be able to. They're probably not turned on. So I'm gonna do the test of charging them. Okay, I'm gonna charge them to see if you can start them. So I'm gonna go and get my water, because I need some warm water. This video might be a bit long, because this is gonna take some time. Let's see. Oh my god. I think that's the 6S. Oh ho ho! Oh my god! Oh my god, I didn't know that would be the effect. Wow. Oh my god, it made a hole inside of it, there in the middle. That is crazy. That is so crazy. I'm gonna see if I can go and find... I'm just gonna keep doing this though. Oh my god, it's like... it's melting the thing. Ho ho ho! Wow. That is so cool. It's pretty hard, but... oh, I can feel the phone. Nice. Oh my god! There we have the S7. Okay. Let's see. Oh. Oh my god. Oh. Oh boy. It's not that warm. Oh yeah, it is low. This can be a bit of a weird video, I guess. Oh. Oh my god, now it's warm. Oh boy. Oh, there we go. Oh. 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 Okay, it's working. It is working, friends. Yeah. Yeah, it won. No, but we haven't seen. What about our friend here? Okay. We can probably... okay, now. Oh. Oh. There we have the iPhone. Oh. We're digging out the treasure. The gold. Oh my god, this is cold. Oh, this is so cold. Oh. Oh my god, that's so cold, man. I wonder if you can charge this device. Or is this one completely like fried? That's the question. Will it charge? I don't know. I really have no idea. So I'm just gonna clean this one off a little bit more and then I will get back to you. Okay, so I am back. It's still kind of wet here, but this is the moment we've been waiting for. We are gonna try to charge it. I cleaned it off a little bit, the port. This is gonna be the first charge test. Will it work? Or will it make the S7? Will it make the S7 the winner? Okay, we're gonna try. Okay, are you ready? Let's go. Does it charge? Oh my god! Oh my god! It does! It is on! What is this? Oh my god, it charges! It charges! But do I have some issues with the display? No! It's on, friends! Oh my god, that's insane! That's insane! How can that one also survive? Wow, I didn't expect that. I didn't, man. I didn't. This is crazy. Oh, wait a sec. Does it work? No! What the fuck is it doing? Oh, I can see on the side here. It looks kind of messed up. Ah. Oh, it's working! It's working now again. Oh my god, I'm gonna make so the display is not wet. I gotta give it to Apple. I mean, they still wanna fight. They wanna fight against Sammy. Like, you know, I didn't expect it, but it's on. It's on. Okay, that was wrong. Wow, my friends. I mean, I gotta give it to Apple. They wanna seriously compete with Samsung. They want to, and they are in for a match. You know, 10 hours, please. That's nice. That's so cool. I gotta say it, man. That's so cool. So yeah, we have two devices that did survive. They did handle it. I mean, 10 hours almost. 24 Coca Cola. That's cool, man. I gotta say that's cool. So yeah, quick video checking that out. Hopefully enjoyed, and yeah, I mean, even though it looks like we have some issues, some minor issues here on the up there on the on the 6S, it still looks like it's pretty okay. So yeah, just a quick, you know, overall, I think the S7 won by a little because I didn't see a defect up there at the top. But yeah, both are very impressive devices. Have an awesome day.